racers, let's learn the alphabet phonics using vehicles. Can you help me? Let's go!
A says A.
A is for airplane.
B says B.
B is for bus.
C says K.
C is for car.
D says D.
D is for dirt bike.
E says E.
E is for excavator.
F says F.
F is for fire engine.
G says G.
G is for garbage truck.
H says H.
H is for helicopter.
I says I.
I is for ice cream truck.
J says J.
J is for jet.
K says K.
K is for kayak.
L says L.
L is for locomotive.
M says
M is for motorcycle.
N says N.
N is for narrowboat.
O says O.
O is for ocean liner.
P says P.
P is for police car.
Q says Qu.
Q is for quad bike.
R says R.
R is for rocket.
S says S.
S is for scooter.
T says T.
T is for tractor.
U says U.
U is for unicycle.
V says V.
V is for van.
W says W.
W is for wagon.
X says X.
X is for x-ray truck.
Y says Y.
Y is for yacht.
Z says Z.
Z is for zeppelin. Thanks for doing the alphabet phonics with me. That was fun. See you around the track.
Let's go Vroom TV.
Yay! Hey gang, let's sing the alphabet song. Sing along. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.